I just turned 35, and no, I didn't throw a wild party or buy lavish things, but I did a few things. Some new, some overdue. And that honestly made this birthday feel different. If you are in your 20s, this might give you ideas. And if you're older than me, baka ma-inspire ka rin to finally do something for you. Here's everything I did before, during, and after my birthday na sana ginawa ko sooner. I like how I'm surrounded by people who mean so much to me, and it was a perfect balance of being with people and alone time. So I could reflect, rest, and reset. If you are new here, hi, I'm Mariza. I'm an entrepreneur and I own skincare and lifestyle brands, and I share stories, mistakes, and lessons on here so you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. Hello friends, get ready with me kasi papunta tayo ng first ever community event ng Lana PH. So Lana PH is turning 8. Lana PH is turning 8 this year, and I'm just so grateful and so excited for today kasi the longest time lagi lang kaming online nag-events, pero now we decided na wait lang, we need to organize an event for community members talaga in real life, like face to face. Kasi 'di ba madalas lagi tayong online events, ganyan, mga yoga, ganyan. Tapos ngayon, I'm so excited kasi I'll be able to meet you guys. Wala lang, very very grateful ako sa years of you guys supporting us, and alam niyo naman na we will never be here if not for you. So I'm just really excited for today. So ayun lang, we are going to a very cute cafe in Makati. Ginawa namin siyang Makati kasi Las Piñas based kami, and gusto naming medyo ilapit naman sa inyo yung event kasi halos lahat ng mga makakapunta ay near that place. So, ayun nga, Lana PH just started with a dream, started with just wanting to have skincare, like skincare for Filipinos. Kasi ako, before when I started Lana PH way back sa 2017, wala akong mahanap na skincare na I would honestly enjoy putting on my face. Kasi dati nung nagsa-start pa lang, gusto kong mag-incorporate ng sunblock in my life. Pero I couldn't find a local sunblock that's not sticky on the face. So that's where the idea of Lana PH started actually. I wanted to have another business, pero sabi ko, gusto kong mag-circle around skincare. Nasaktuhan naman na meron kaming kakilala na manufacturer that time. So sabi ko, sige, let's do this. So when we started, ano lang, as in, pinakamababang minimum order quantity lang yung in-order namin. Kasi wala naman kami ganun ka daming pera that time. Nang hiram nga lang kami ng pera noon, nung pang-start ng Lana PH. And then, my skincare business started. It was just really a dream to create skincare for Filipinos. And now, actually ngayon, ang saya ko kasi ang dami ng mga skincare brands na marami na tayong options for skincare. And people would honestly ask me, oh, Riza, okay lang ba? Tingnan mo na andyan ka pa rin. Ang dami-dami ng competitors. Honestly, as someone who consumes a lot of skincare myself, I'm happy. I'm happy that the industry is growing. I'm happy na dumadami yung competitors. Dahil ibig sabihin, it's not slowing down anytime soon. So, ayan, I know na may pera pa rin or meron pa rin industriya doon. So yes, to answer that question, yes, I'm okay with having competitors because I feel like, yun nga, the industry is growing, and alam ko na hindi magda-die down yung industry anytime soon. And honestly, as a consumer, I'm happy kasi marami ng local beauty and skincare brands na options nating lahat. Kasi honestly, for me as a business owner, I don't want the entire share of the pie. I honestly just want a piece of the pie that would, you know, serve my community, serve my clients, and I'm just really genuinely happy for other, kasi yung mga skincare founders, halos magkakaibigan din talaga kami lahat, magkakakilala kami, minsan kapag may mga hassle, kami din yung mga magkakausap. So yeah, I'm just really happy and genuinely happy that they're here. Kasi kami lang din, honestly, nagtutulungan din. Teka lang, hindi na ako makakonsentrate. I have so much respect for beauty influencers and beauty creators kasi hindi ko kaya magsalita masyado habang nag-makeup. We are running late, so I just have to be ready. I'll clock in or I'll say bye once I'm done. Let's start the celebration. Magkalapit lang yung birthday ko and yung birthday ni Lana, my skincare brand. And madalas, mas busy talaga kami to prepare for Lana's birthday. June 1, we celebrated Lana's birthday with the community and friends. Ang saya nito. And it's actually the first time after 8 years, we went to a cafe in Makati. And sobrang na-appreciate ko na complete kami na family namin doon. As always, I love it. Food and drinks were great. And one of my favorite things was I was able to talk to our community sa Lana PH in real life. And ang sarap makita ng mga taong nagsusupport talaga sa Lana since day one. And hindi ito yung event na puro influencers ha. We really invited our valued clients and the people in the community page. We also did a sneak peek of the up-and-coming products ng Lana that's still under development. And I will never ever forget the shrieks of excitement, yung mga tili nila when we told them about it. Such music to my ears. And here we ended the program with a painting activity. A huge thanks to my sister-in-law, Cheska, who designed the tote we will paint on. Ang saya, ang relaxing ng activity na to. And I'm just really happy to have photos and videos where I can look back to for this day. I'm very, very grateful. Of course, I'll never forget to thank the entire team who made this possible. Hello friends, I just got home from the event and I had so much fun. As in, ang saya-saya makita na magkakasama yung community, and this is actually the very first time that we did an event like that. It was very intimate. I think parang mga 11 or 12 lang kaming andon. Tapos we just had a quick chit-chat and then painting class kami. So, we painted on the tote bags ng Lana PH. And sobrang nag-enjoy din ako sa conversations within the community and our creators, ganyan. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi may brainstorming session din kami sa kung anong gustong next product ng Lana PH. And I just got really so inspired with talagang nourishing and cherishing the community of Lana PH. I'm just really, really blessed as a founder to experience this together with our community members. Alam mo yun, hindi man kami yung laging out there, laging viral, laging putting out something into the world, but I am just really proud of the community that we built at Lana PH. Ayun lang, ang dami ng energy ko kanina, and I'm just really grateful, especially with my team, sa efforts nila, and that will never go unnoticed. Ayun lang, I'm just really happy. Again, maraming salamat for continuously supporting us sa Lana PH and sa lahat ng mga brands namin. If you are here liking, viewing this video, commenting on this video, or even purchasing, maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. I am just really so happy and thankful for you. Ayun lang. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi po, we are starting our birthday vlog with coloring. Hot girl hobbies. Slayful. Ganon yun, healing our inner child. Couple of days after that, it's my birthday. We went to Calatagan with the Lana family ng June 8 and we'll be celebrating my birthday there. Sobrang happy ko talaga kapag kompleto kami. And we were also with the doggos, Bagnet and Mimi this time. June 8, we just chilled and swam. And ang saya ko to be eating my favorite food na niluto ni Mama and Papa. Forever love that. I will always be grateful for this. And ito yung mga namimiss ko ngayon na nakahiwalay na kami ng bahay. Yung luto ni na mama at papa. Late night of June 8, the family surprised me with a cake and all of my favorite snacks and food. Ang saya ko talaga. Tawang-tawad din ako dito sa blind karaoke namin ng mga kapatid ko. Ang ingay namin na. And take note, andun si na mama sa room kung saan kami nagkakaraoke pero wala lang silang pake. Natulog lang sila, ganon. Natapos kami medyo late na pero we decided to still watch Mad Max sa room namin ni Josh. And natapos kami almost 3 a.m. na but it was so worth it. Then the day after my birthday itself, June 9, nagbalsa kami with the family and nagkaraoke and kumain lang din kami doon. Now that I'm older, I really appreciate my parents more. I appreciate the little things more. These moments. And I will always be grateful to be celebrating with them every year. And sobrang na-appreciate ko din yung buhay ng mga magulang ko. And when I see them a bit older and grayer, nagpapasalamat din talaga ako sa lahat ng ginawa nila for us. I can now understand the sacrifices, the things and opportunities they gave up just to put us into good schools and have a good life. Thank you, Mama and Papa. We also went to this private beach where we took photos and videos of ourselves and did a semi-photo shoot. Thank you, Miko. Then a couple of days after, we did rug tufting with friends. I've been wanting to do this and finally got a chance to do it with my good friends, Luis and Jazel. We have so much in common. Lahat kami panganay, lahat kami breadwinners, so we instantly bonded together talaga. We did this on a Sunday morning at town center. And I honestly didn't expect to enjoy it so much. I mean, threading and making sure it won't run out is sure a challenge, pero naitawid naman namin. Walang nagkapikunan, friends. We did it under Bumi and Ash, which makes me think, teka lang, I think you can do this at Landos too. Abangan nyo yan. I did a design with Bagnet's face on it and it sure needs a few dusting, but hey, at least nagawa ko na siya. And kumain din kami ni Jazel after lunch. When I was younger, I was scared of getting older. I thought, 30s, parang tanda na nun. Pero sa totoo lang, I am currently in my favorite era. My 30s, I'm more confident. I know myself better. I can now afford the experiences my 20-year-old self would just dream of. Mas secured na din ako sa sarili ko. And don't get me wrong, life doesn't get easier, but at least I have a better wisdom now than before. I'm also very grateful to be surrounded by a great support system. Getting older is a blessing. Whether you're in your 20s figuring things out or in your 40s or 50s rewriting the rules, just know this. It's never too early and it's never too late to choose yourself, to try something new, or to finally do the thing you've been putting off. Friends, life isn't a timeline. It's a series of decisions. So go make yours count.